Hi everyone, my name is Satyam and today I'm going to walk you through my AI powered video GIF generator application. So what basically it is an application that takes a video, then extracts its audio and then using an input prompt and with the use of an AI model, it creates a small GIF and returns it back to the front end. So the project structure will look like the front end is there, backend, and into the backend I do have a route for the authentication. I do have the routes for the API calls, server, and uploads, audio, and output. Then is Express course. These are the basic middlewares that we are using. Then is Fluent FFmpeg. This is basically a kind of video editing tool for the CLI. We are not using any graphical interface there, and then we are using Axios for Ollama. Winston is basically a logger and .env we are using. I'll quickly start the application so that to show how it looks when it runs. So this is AI GIF creator, and we do have the front end, and I also have the backend running. So first of all, let's see what is front end. So this is front end. We can log in and we can go through all the things in the for the. So let me run the backend as well. So all the things that I'm doing right now, it is into the development mode. So I'm using nodemon right now, not using node. So our backend is also running. It is running on the 5005 port. I will log in. I do have login and logout, login option and the register option both. So I'm right now using a login. I have the account, so it is logged in. Now the next option is that as I already told you, we will be uploading a file. We will upload a file, mp4 file in, and then it will be saved into the uploads, extract the audio, then it will convert its the audios into the text format using Whisper. So Whisper is basically an OpenAI LLM API that we are using in our local machine itself. So Whisper is running here in this machine. Once I ask the front end to create the transcription, it will run the Whisper. Okay, so let me just choose the file first of all. So I'm going to choose this file. This is an mp4 file of 15 MBs that I downloaded from YouTube. So this is a file. Now what I'm doing is I will upload and transcribe. So what this functionality is, so basically if we want to transcribe, and if we want to upload something onto an AI tool like Ollama, or even if it is DeepSeek or ChatGPT or Gemini, we cannot directly upload a video over there because it takes a lot of money, I would say, indirectly, that it asks for the premium option that we are not using. So right now what we are using is Ollama. We are using Ollama in local machine. That is also a very heavy LLM model. So now what is happening in the backend, I have uploaded the file and I have asked my Whisper to generate its transcription, its text basically. So this is what is happening in the backend. So video has been uploaded. FFmpeg is the tool that I already told. It is used to extract the audio from a video. Now what we are doing is we have extracted the audio. Now we are sending the same audio to the Whisper to extract the text from there. So this is what is happening in the backend using Whisper. Once we have got the text, we will be getting the text over here. Next, what is the step is, once we have the text in the JSON format, next we will be sending the same JSON format text and the prompt containing the timestamp and the transcript. both the things. So what it has done right now here, as we can see, Whisper has given me a response which is extracting the text from there. This is the whole text. So video was of around 7 minutes, so it has extracted the text, but I hope the backend is still working. The Whisper is still working, it has not stopped. So this is a 7 minutes of total or text that has been extracted. Now this text is saved into a JSON format that we can see over here. Into the audio option, I have made an extra folder, and we have this audio saved here. Somewhere over here we can see the audio file's name, so somewhere over here it is saved. Now what we will do is, with this text and a prompt, this is a transcript that we have got out of the whisper API that we ran. Now with this transcript and this particular prompt, so let me see. So basically this is a video of a beer biceps who is talking about Bhagavad Gita. So we can find out something related to motivational clips from here, and we can generate the clips. So right now when I'm clicking on generate the GIFs, what it is doing is, now it is running the Ollama model. So Ollama is a very heavy tool, and I'm running right now it into my local machine, although it is happens when we send this. So it will also take some time, imports that we are doing. And I have used the author out here. The next is, we are using these middlewares, the directories that I have created. The next is, this is the API that is actually the upload API. So when we uploaded and transcribed, this is what happened in the backend. This is the whole that is happening. And this is when we generate the clip. So when we create on this button, this is what runs in the backend. It is basically sending a message to Ollama that is running in my local host here, that you are given a video transcript and written 2-3 clips out of this XYZ things whatever I have written. We are sending it the format and the prompt. This is a transcript that we got, prompt, and it is responding me. This is what we are doing now. We are actually extracting the clips out of all the clips. We got only 3 clips. We are taking only 3 clips here, and if we are getting any wrong clip, we are skipping that as well. And this is the last API that we are calling from the front end to get the response from the backend to the front end. These GIFs that I have created, these needs to be sent to the front end, uh, so that we can also see what is the result. So as we can see here, the Ollama has given 6 clips. Basically it found 6 clips which were having this motivational thoughts over there. Out of them we have extracted 3 clips, and the clips that were not of use, we have skipped them. Now if we go here and we can see here, these are the clips, and these are the GIFs. I'm using only 15 fps. So how these clips are actually getting created, that is also a fact. We are using here yes, so here we are using FFmpeg, that I told you. It is actually a video editing kind of CLI tool, that is a library into the node only. So we are using it. We are giving the video path, we are giving the start and the total duration. What is the duration? Duration is basically, and to the start, how long is that clip that we need to extract from there, using 15 fps. So it is not into a very good pixel, because it also takes a space and time. I wanted to make it efficient. Yeah, so this is created, this is how it has got created, and this is a GIF that we have got out of it. It has the captions as well. Right now what we are seeing is there are two captions that we can see. So the problem I already found, that was that when I was downloading the this video, when I downloaded this video, it already had a caption over there. So that is something that is shown over there. But this is what we have got as a result, as a caption that was mentioned into the project question. I will show where is the caption we are using. This is a caption that we are providing. This is something what I have done explicitly, and we can they are already running, we can download them as well. So this is what I have got, and I can run it. I'll have to open it only for one to share. So um, once it runs, we can see is this is what I have got. So basically, as I already mentioned, it is going to be a motivational clip. So let me see what is the motivation that it is giving. So why do people say that you open a piece of it? And so this is what I have got actually from the from the AI itself. It's not something that I'm doing randomly. These are the clips. So this is what is happening, and I believe I have explained the code as well, and if there is something that is remaining, I will also quickly go through the app.js as well. So this is my front end, and front end logic, each and everything is mentioned here. In front end I am using React.js along with the Tailwind CSS, not only the React.js, React along with Vite, and with Tailwind CSS for improving the UI. For backend I am using only Node.js, not Python or anything, and right now I'm not using MongoDB or any kind of the the storage like database, because I didn't want to make it too much heavy. It is already very heavy for this machine, and yeah, that's all. And thank you so much. But here is a bonus thing as well, as some of us might be thinking that why I'm not using API of ChatGPT or DeepSeek or Gemini or something. So the fact is that I tried using the ChatGPT, sorry, the DeepSeek. So here is what I used. So this is I got an API key from OpenRouter. I tried using it. I did it. It was working well. It is still working well, and but the problem is that it gives you a limited amount of API calls. That I found from here, that the credits that I have right now are like 0 credits. So I was not uh, able to show that. So I also don't want to spend money right now here for the things that I can do for free. So instead of that, I installed Ollama here. I also had the other option. I tried using AWS EC2, that I know how to use. So I tried installing Ollama here, but Ollama was so heavy that even the free tier of EC2 did not allow me that much of space that I can download it. Although I tried using the smallest Ollama model, that is Tinilama, but still it was going out of the space, so I was not able to use that. And for the Vercel part, for deployment parts, basically I have uploaded the code onto my GitHub, and this is a repository. Here is the Vercel that I have uploaded onto. This is running. This will run properly, but the problem is, as I am running this Ollama and Whisper locally, so if I am making any request from Vercel, to the local host. So that is not actually happening, and that is not possible unless I use GNRock. So the next step is that only I'm going to use GNRock, because right now I'm not going to spend any money here. I'll try to implement the things that will improve me, improve my learning, and help me creating all the things in free without investing any kind of amount. So uh, this here we will basically get error because we are not running the backend right now. I can run the backend, but the problem is if I'm running the backend, still I'm not able to get the expected result because my heavy tools are running on the local host. That's all, everything, and these are the APIs that I have used. This is a simple thing that also you can download it from here, and I will provide the readme file that what exactly we need to do to install Ollama model into the local machine. And please don't, if you are trying to install it onto your machine, please make sure your machine is having at least 16 GB of RAM, and it is if you are using Mac, it is at least M2. Otherwise that would be a very huge problem that you won't be able to run it locally. Thank you so much.